Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to block a website on Google Chrome. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Google Store. So once you've done that, you want to choose the Chrome Web Store right here. So just want to click on that. And now you want to search for website blocker. Okay. So now just want to click on more extensions and you want to choose this, okay? The specific extension, okay? So now just go ahead and click on that and click add to Chrome. Add extension. So let's just wait. So now just go ahead and open that. So it will automatically open. And now you can choose maybe later or I accept. So I'm just gonna do maybe later. I'm sorry, just need to click on I accept. So now I'm just gonna skip this. Skip. Then let's just wait. So let's just dismiss. So now right here at the text box, you want to type the web address of the website that you want to block. Okay. So for example, I'm just gonna do facebook.com. Now just click add item. And as you can see, it is on the block sites. So when you try to open facebook.com, as you can see, it says that no way you put facebook.com in your block sites list. It's probably there for a reason. Okay? So when you want to unblock facebook.com, what you want to do is to go back here and at the block sites, as you can see, there's the facebook.com, and here at the right side of it, you can see the delete bin. Okay, so just go ahead and click that and refresh the Facebook. I'm sorry, you just want to search again for facebook.com, and now you can just use your Facebook. Okay, so that's it. That is how you block a website on Google Chrome. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.